When it comes to mobile banking, the Bank of America app is a popular option for iPhone users. But before you decide to make the switch, there are a few important things you need to know. In this video, we'll walk through 12 key features of the Bank of America mobile banking app and see how it compares to other options out there. Stick around till the end to find out if it's the right fit for you. First thing to note, the app is user-friendly, offering easy access to all your banking needs. Whether you're checking your balance, transferring funds, or paying bills, it's designed to be intuitive. Unlike some competitors, Bank of America's mobile app includes robust features like customizable alerts, letting you stay on top of account activity. This is especially useful when compared to apps that might not provide as many personalized notification options. Next thing, the app's security features. Bank of America offers two-factor authentication and the option to lock your mobile app with biometric features like Face ID or Touch ID. While other apps, such as Chase or Wells Fargo, also provide this level of security, Bank of America has an added benefit: its online account recovery process, which is easy to follow and reassuring if something goes wrong. The third thing is the variety of banking services available right from the app. You can check account balances, view statements, make transfers, and pay bills. But what sets it apart is the ability to manage credit card rewards and track your spending right within the app, something that some competing apps either limit or don't offer at all. Next, let's talk about the Bank of America mobile deposit feature. It's incredibly convenient, allowing you to deposit checks directly from your phone without visiting a branch. Other apps like Capital One also offer mobile deposit, but Bank of America's system is known for being particularly reliable and quick. The fifth thing is the app's bill pay feature. While many apps offer bill payments, Bank of America stands out by allowing users to schedule payments up to a year in advance. This is a useful tool for people who like to plan their finances ahead of time, and not all competitors allow this much flexibility. Next, Bank of America offers a feature called Zelle for instant person-to-person payments. This is an integrated part of the app, allowing you to send money to anyone with an email or mobile number. While many other banks have adopted Zelle, it's seamlessly integrated into the Bank of America app, which makes it easy to send money quickly. The seventh thing is their customer service options. If you ever run into issues, you can easily reach support via chat or phone. Some competitors like Citibank also offer customer service, but Bank of America's app includes a Contact Us button that provides direct access to an agent, reducing wait times. Next, the app allows for easy management of your savings and checking accounts, as well as credit cards. You can even set up automatic savings plans with no fees involved. While many other apps offer similar features, the ease with which Bank of America lets you manage multiple accounts is an added bonus. The ninth thing to know is the reward system. If you have a Bank of America credit card, you can track and redeem your rewards directly in the app. However, compared to some competitors, the rewards program here isn't as expansive in terms of categories, but it's still a solid option for users who prefer simplicity. Next up, Bank of America's ATM locator is pretty accurate, helping you find nearby ATMs within the app. While other banks have similar features, Bank of America's list includes both their own ATMs and partner networks, offering more flexibility when withdrawing cash without fees. The 11th thing is budgeting tools. Bank of America includes an integrated budgeting feature, allowing you to set financial goals and track your spending. While this is a great option for users who want to manage their money effectively, it's not as detailed as budgeting tools available in apps like Mint. The last thing to note is the availability of features for investors. Bank of America's app allows you to access Merrill Lynch accounts, track investments, and make trades. While some competitors offer investment services, Bank of America's inclusion of Merrill Lynch in their mobile app gives you access to more advanced financial tools. In conclusion, the Bank of America mobile banking app is a great option for anyone looking for a reliable and easy-to-use app with a variety of features. However, if you're looking for something with more comprehensive budgeting tools, investment tracking,